It's a male. The newest pup weighs in at a healthy 34 kilograms. The mother turns to bond with her pup, and in doing so, they take in each other's scent. They also call to each other, to learn each other's voice should they become separated on the crowded beach. He gets his first meal, dining on one of the richest milks in the mammal world, 55% fat. Females are ready to mate about 24 days after giving birth. The Beachmaster's patience is running out. After 10 weeks of defending his harem, he's more agitated than ever. The 2-ton suitor is so single-minded in his desire to mate. The newest pup needs to move, now. There's no collateral damage from the Beachmaster's latest assault. The pup is safe.